Veracity, ladies and gentlemen, Veracity, V-R-A. In this video, we're going to talk about Veracity. I'm also going to give you my price prediction, and we're going to put some how many Veracity tokens I can get with a certain budget. So we're going to go ahead and break that down as well. So you want to watch this entire video with the price prediction and more. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Veracity is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and the video entertainment space. It's all about the crypto-based platform that really revolutionized the online advertising business. This is really good and it's really starting to take off, in my opinion. I think this is something that's great for the future if you're into gaming and video entertainment. Now, let's go ahead and look at the price where it is now, which is only 1 cent. This is 1 cent and has a lot of potential to go even higher than that in the future. Now, look at this. If I have a small budget of $150, I can get 9,366 tokens. That's approximately that. You may not exactly get that many, but that's how many you can probably get. That is a good value in my opinion. Not financial advice, but I use CoinGecko.com to really kind of use what I have in a budget when I'm looking at tokens. VRA is something I think most people can get. Even if you only have $50, $3,122. Now you can get Veracity on KuCoin.com. I have the link in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Veracity is a good project. So if you have a small budget of $50, you can get $3,122. If you have a bigger budget like a $300, you can get 18,000 Veracity tokens. So let's talk more about the news of Veracity. Now, the company's making the most from games, public company with the most revenues from the games in 2018. You see it right on the screen. Now, this article came out from Twitter saying for Veracity Tech and VRA, which is Veracity, of course, this is a dream token. This is a dream to even be mentioned in the same breath as Tencent and Riot Games. This is something will be a legit powerhouse with the new business parent. The sky's the limit. So Veracity's already being compared and being actually mentioned with some of these companies. Now, this is some information that came out as well that I might have skipped over this last time, but I really want to talk about it today. Top 11 gaming PGT by relative liquidity ratio, and you see Veracity right here. Current price, market cap, and you have the trade volume. It is actually number 1 here. And this came out June 10th. Crypto Lexi, is that Crypto Lexi? Alexi, well, shout out to you. They actually did this, but Veracity put this and said ahead of the crowd, the ES Fight Club actually opportunity. And you see some of these other hidden gem companies like the Sandbox that's being mentioned here, but look at Veracity. Veracity is number 1. And this is something you need to really pay more attention to. Now, Veracity also is really connected with the Tencent Games partnership. Follow the content to the broadcaster to the appropriate player. VRA rewards and POV. It's all about rewarding the user experience, giving the user experience something that they never had before. And Veracity, being priced what it is right now, will give people an opportunity to look into this in terms of getting to their portfolio. You know, for me, I'm looking at this very closely to looking to possibly add this more into my portfolio. I'm doing this video here because I've been doing research on this and I want to share you guys, if you have a small budget, look at some of these projects right here that has a lot of potential because they are going to become something special in the future. If you look at their website, which I have it right below this video, it's a very interactive website and actually breaks down exactly what some of the components it's all about. You got the Vera wallet with the product layer payment system, and then you have the VRA rewards, which is part of the product layer. So it breaks it down appropriate if you don't really understand the protocol and the product layer. What my favorite thing about Veracity is that they're giving the gaming industry something to really look forward to. And I love the rewards and I love the price, what it has, because it gives you an opportunity to look into investing in something that has a ton of potential. So I like that, and I like some of the news that's coming out that they number 1 really over here when it comes to some of this information here. Current price, which is actually lower, or one of the lowest on here. In fact, it is one of the lowest on this actually screen here. And the market cap is actually more on the top end if you're going to compare it to all these here. And then the trade volume is actually competitive. Look at the trade volume as well. That lets me know that this has tons of potential. It just hasn't really set off yet. So I wanted to do this video to kind of show you that. If Verasity, if it's something you want to go ahead and check out, click on the link below, go to qcoin.com. Go ahead and look into it. This is not financial advice, but this is just information if you don't know anything about Verasity, because I love the protocol and the product layer that is given to the esports industry. One thing I did not cover is, let me show you real fast on what I did not cover that I looked at the other day that really got my attention. Look at the actually Twitter following. 111,000 Twitter following. You may look at this and say, well, it's just Twitter following, but that's more users and more people are being connected to Verasity. That's good because they're one of the leaders in the esports fight club industry. And that is a very competitive industry where it's becoming competitive. So this is what I want you to do. Look over this video once again. My price prediction of Verasity, I believe it can get up to about 40 to 50 cents in this bull run. Now, my thing about it is, it's one of those things you need to watch out for because it actually can go a little bit higher based on the movement of the price and the people who are getting involved into this. So that's my price prediction between 40 and 50 cents. It's a reasonable price in this bull run. It's only 1 cent right now, and that would be a heck of gains from you if you get in it at a very low price. And check this out. Remember, if you have a small budget of $50, it's only 3,000 tokens. If you have a small budget of $25, you can get in at 1,500. So play around with CoinGecko.com, do your research. Thank you for watching this video. The video you see up to your left corner, watch that video. It may inspire you and go ahead and give you that motivation to keep going. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.